Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you all? Okay, in this video we are going to learn F, capital F and small f. Look at this page. What comes from F? First I'm going to tell you what is the phonic of F. F, 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 F fan, F flower, F fig, and F fish, F frog. You know these things. Do you know what is fig? Fig, Urdu name is injeer. Flower, it's pool, Urdu name. Fan, this is panka in Urdu. And fish, this is machli in Urdu. Frog, mantak. Okay, these are the things which are starting from F. Okay, look at this page. My family tree. Family is starting from F. This is family tree. Look, in family tree there is grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, brother, sister, and you. You can paste your picture. Look at this poem. This is five little fingers, five little fingers, five little toes, two little ears, and one little nose, two little eyes that shine so bright, and one little mouth to make me smile. Okay, kids, I'm going to write F. I'm showing you how to write capital F and small f. Look, there are three lines. There are, four lines. One, two, three, four. The first three lines are called the sky letters, as I told you in the video. Okay, so I'm going to write capital F in the uppercase in the upper lines. It is called capital F. And I'm going to write small f in the also in the upper three lines. Uppercase letter. Okay, these are uppercase letter. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.